Success will never come in your life accidentally. You must work hard. You must be determined. Never forget it. Nothing is possible to achieve overnight. It is always hard when you start, but your determination can make it simple. Slow and steady, as long as you don't stop. Hard work is the key to success. Somebody may dream big. Somebody may have a good plan. Somebody may have determination to achieve it. But nothing will work unless you work hard. All the successful people have achieved success only because of hard work. Hard work is a power that will never make you disappointed. No one can prevent you from getting massive success if you work hard. Many people will demotivate you and tell you you cannot. You don't have the ability to achieve it. You have to prove them wrong. Achieving massive success is your right. Ignore all the negativity from your mind. Only you have the power of changing everything through hard work. Remember, nothing is impossible if you want it. You can't change the world, but you can change your mentality. Success always depends on your mentality. Maybe you don't have enough strength. Maybe you don't know the way to achieve. Maybe you never did it in the past. Believe it! Nothing is impossible if you can change your mentality. Your positive mentality is the key to success. It's not possible to build it in a day. You have to practice to develop positive mentality. It is always hard to change the situation unless you accept the challenge. Everything will go against you. Everyone will refuse you. Nobody will help you to reach your destination. You will face problems every step of the way. Everybody will tell you no. This is not for you. You don't have the ability to achieve it. But you will have to prove them wrong. You have to accept the challenge. The people are only successful in the world if they accept the challenge. Never forget it. If others can do the best, you can do better. You have the power of showing glorious victory. Accept the challenge now and show them the smile in your victory later. It is hard, but anything is possible if you can accept the challenge. Positive thinking is an amazing power of changing the world. Nothing is possible to develop without positive thinking. It will always help you to discover a new way. Everybody will tell you that it is not possible. They will tell you, never try it. But you have to think positively. If you can think it, you can achieve it. A dream is the fuel of success. You must dream big to gain massive success. Everybody has a dream in life, but not everybody will do the hard work to achieve it. A dream is not complete without hard work. A good dream will always keep you awake and hungry to achieve it. It will influence you to work harder, and only then you will understand that it is a real dream. Nobody will inspire you to achieve your dream. Nobody will stay beside you. Nobody will guide you. You are the only one who have to stay beside your dream. You must have a big dream. for massive success!